I decided to get a glow up somehow. Need to look better, need to take care of myself more. I invite you to join me. The plan is to work out, to do skincare, just more, and hair care, and eat healthy, and what else? Maybe dress better and do better makeup and stuff. Right now I am wearing my full face makeup. Usually I don't because I'm just too tired in the morning. So yeah, the plan is healthy glow up, and hope you glow up with me. By the way, I don't have my necklace. I feel empty. Anyway, I like my makeup. Hope you like it, hope you glow up with me. Maybe you can get inspired, maybe you can get motivated, because girl, I literally have no motivation for anything. So, I believe in you. Let's glow up together. And also, I drink more water, because usually I do not drink at all. Like, I drink nothing. Like, even less than 1 liter a day. This is crazy. Like, I'm so dry. Like, I'm dried. I don't know how I can be alive still. So I started drinking more, like at least 1 liter. It's also for my skin to look better. Working out is actually pretty important. You know what? Just moving your body. That's it for now. And we see each other when? Soon, I guess. Girl, listen to me. Hair is super important. It can change your whole appearance, so take care of it well. Remember, I used this hair mask. It's supposed to be good for my hair type, so let's hope it is. I mix it with sunflower oil that also should improve my hair condition. I keep it on my head for at least 40 minutes as recommended. While waiting, I ate a snack and watched Netflix. Later, I used this hair lotion that is supposed to make my hair stronger, thicker, and grow faster, and leave it overnight. But it's not working for me at all, so I bought other one, which I haven't tried yet, and use this thingy to make it absorb better. So now let's go straight to the skincare. I put a homemade face mask on my face. And later I decided to use a Korean face mask additionally.
As you can see, the design is super cute. I love animals and pink color, so it's perfect. So after putting it on, I waited 15 to 20 minutes and took it off. People always say to not wash your face after using the face mask to let the good stuff absorb, but I always have to wash my face because it actually never absorbs and my face just stays sticky and I just have to wash my face.
Hello guys, welcome back. I really hate how this angle makes me look, but it is what it is. Hello, welcome back. Here's a little update for you. First of all, I found one workout that is like crazy. It's really crazy. It made me not be able to move. Like, I couldn't walk, I couldn't get up for 3 days. Literally, I have never felt that bad after working out before. Yep, it was deadly. Like, actually, I didn't feel anything when I first started. I just felt super tired because it's like, you know, jumping and running and this kind of stuff, and I had no idea that it would actually work that well. Really, girl, it was crazy. I couldn't move for 3 days. And also, I drink a lot of water. I drink so much water, that's crazy. I literally go to the bathroom all the time. And makeup today is just pretty basic, but I like it. Okay, so, you know, you don't have to work out like crazy. What is important is to move your body in any way possible. So you can just walk, you can go for walks, you can run, you can work out, you can do whatever. I guess even cleaning for a few hours may be good. Yeah, so it's important to move every day, which I do not do every day because I just don't have time for now, but I'm trying. I try to walk, you know, at least 10,000 steps. I try, but sometimes that's too much. Yeah, but I'm trying. So I will see you soon. Yep. Hello guys. So, by the way, I just cut my hair. Instead of milk, I drink oat milk. I think it's oat milk, because there are many kinds of plant milk, and I guess I'm drinking oat milk right now. I think I tried all. I remember rice was my favorite. At first almond was my favorite, but then I got like bored of it, tired of it, I would say. So I'm drinking oat, and it's fine. I think it all depends on the brand, but I think glow up is more than just physical appearance. So we'll clean, guys.
So I started cleaning, and here are the clothes that I folded, and they are ready to be put into the closet where they belong. And here are the clothes that need some sewing and fixing. I washed my blanket, and those shoes, I know they shouldn't be here, but I will need them for today, so I will leave them here for today. And I really need to clean my desk. I did makeup yesterday, so that's why it looks like that, but it will be cleaned. Don't worry.
Hello. I wanted to update you guys a little bit. So I got to know that garlic is actually pretty good for skin. And maybe you cannot see right now, but my skin is not the best. So someone recommended 1 or 2 the small pieces from the inside of garlic. So I will eat it now. I will eat it with my dinner. It will be best like this. So yup, let's go. And sorry for the noise, but I need a fan. It's so loud, I know. Maybe you cannot hear. I'm sure you can, but it's just so hot. I need a fan. I'm sorry. It will be fine.
So guys, I didn't have enough time for a longer glow up journey because of my flight to Korea, but thank you so much for watching. Hope you stay with me, hope you glow up of course, and stay tuned for more videos. And remember to use the tips I prepared for you. Love you, bye bye!